About to fire this thing up. Oh, fucking leg on the camera, bitch. One J is running good. We got the 4-inch tip. It's gonna get a body kit, and the tip's gonna be kind of changed to how that one is set up later. Avid 1 AV 06s, 18 by 10.5, 18 by 9.5, 245 40, 225 40. It's pretty much a recap on the car. It's pretty much bed linered on the inside because no Rhino or no sound deadening, so it makes it a little easier to be in the car. Inline handbrake, W58, which that's gonna get swapped out. But we're getting this car and the Lexus ready for the next drift event, which is in 2 weeks at Atlanta Motor Speedway. Because I want to slide 240. My 240 isn't done yet, so I'm gonna take the Lexus. Whoops. The JZ. This is, I think this one's out of a Mark II, since it has the dual throttle body for the traction control. The other one's out of a Supra, which does not have it. Suspension's all done. I did the alignment. My alignment machine was acting up, so pretty much just did the best I could. We're gonna take it back another day, and I'm gonna spend some more time with it and probably change like every single setting on this thing and not just the toe and the camber. But yeah, no. This car rips. Drove it to work the other day. I did the alignment and I was like, holy shit. 240 should have been like this for me 12 years ago. I mean, this car with the KAT setup was around the same torque and power, but you know, I didn't really put a lot of thought and time into it. The new setup has tons of thought and time put into it, so there's that. But that's it for this video, man.